Hello and welcome to the Highlighted Story Midday. In a compelling episode of Market this month, Anna Sarin, Director of Listing Development for Western Canada and US and Vancouver branch lead at the Canadian Securities Exchange, sat down with Bruce Campbell of Stonecastle Investment Management to dissect the tumultuous financial landscape. The duo delved into the recent market upheavals triggered by President Donald Trump's sweeping tariffs, which have sent shockwaves through the global markets. The Dow Jones plunged over 1,200 points, approximately 2.9%. The S&P 500 declined by 3.7%, and the Nasdaq dropped 4.8%, marking some of the steepest declines since the early days of the COVID-19 pandemic. These tariffs imposed a baseline 10% import tax with significantly higher rates targeting specific countries, 54% on Chinese goods, 20% on European Union exports, and 10% on Australian products. Bruce Campbell highlighted the immediate impact on investors, noting the market's reaction has been swift and severe, reflecting the uncertainty these tariffs introduce. He emphasized that sectors reliant on international supply chains are particularly vulnerable. Anna Sarin pointed out the broader economic implications, stating beyond the stock market volatility, these tariffs could have a lasting effect on economic growth and consumer prices, potentially leading to higher inflation. The conversation also touched on the Federal Reserve's challenging position. With inflationary pressures mounting, the Feds face a delicate balancing act between stimulating the economy and controlling the rising prices. Campbell remarked the Fed's tools are limited in this scenario. Lowering the interest rates might not be as effective if the inflation continues to rise. Investors are advised to exercise caution and stay informed as the situation develops. For a deeper dive into this discussion and more insights, check out the full conversation and video on stockhouse.com under Featured News. That's the highlighted story of the day. I'm Lindsay Melchek. Stay tuned for your market close up next.